that combines quality, modern logistics, and global reach. For 20 years, we have been supporting our customers in over 50 countries. Our logistics center covers 26,000 square meters of modern space, where we fulfill thousands of orders every day. Fast, precise, reliable. We focus on innovation, from automated warehouse processes to advanced digital tools such as our online catalog and ERP system. Behind our success stand people, experienced, committed, and ready to meet any challenge. We are a team you can count on. Kamoka is a global partner in the automotive parts industry. No matter the location, we guarantee on-time deliveries and consistent quality. Over 30,000 references across 17 product groups, from shock absorbers and brake calipers to filters and suspension components. Every product undergoes rigorous quality control, not only during delivery, but already at the production stage, thanks to our strategic branch in Shanghai. Our presence in China enables constant contact with suppliers, ongoing verification of product quality, packaging, and shipping processes. In this way, we consistently strengthen our position as a reliable supplier in global markets. Kamoka, your trusted partner in the automotive business. Join our customers and see what reliability truly means.